This is a project I designed for a homeowner over in Westlake Hills, just outside of Austin, Texas. This is a fairly spectacular project for a number of different reasons. This has a subterranean mother-in-law unit. It has glass railings, a 37-foot long negative edge that's 14-foot drop to the catch basin, perimeter overflow spa, walk-on roof of the mother-in-law unit, which is doubling as the deck for the pool itself. Some of the complications here were, as you came off the existing patio at the main part of the house, there was a railing there and the drop was 14 feet to grade. That existing patio is the front edge of the pool there. They wanted the pool up at that level, and the complications there then arise because the pool is only 5 foot deep. Therefore, the bottom of the pool would be 9 feet above existing grade. So what you have to do is a perimeter beam, a series of cross beams, and then bag and fill in between those cross beams to shoot the pool on top of that. The negative edge actually works as a footer for the entire pool across the back, which is a pretty cool way to handle that. This has 2 laminar flow fountains with color changing lights in the laminar flows that come from the back side of the catch of the negative edge wall that gives the appearance that those are coming out of midair. There are 2 sets of steps on this job down to the lower levels. The step on the left hand side that we're kind of spinning over to create kind of a vault for the equipment that basically makes the equipment invisible unless you are specifically heading to that location. The steps on the right take you down to the lowered covered patio that is the private patio for the mother-in-law unit itself. We'll take you down below and take a look at what's going on down there. Those 2 upper patios were existing. We replaced the railing that had steel tubular railing. They wanted to open up views, and the best way to do that is to do glass railing. So we put glass railing on the entire project. It's very cool. First time I'd ever used it. Think it came out great. It's done with glass panels in between aluminum railing. You don't have to do railing with these. They just felt a little more secure and comfortable because the drop is so substantial and they have small children. And it does give it a little more secure feeling to the glass railing. This is the lower patio. It has an outdoor kitchen that's for both the mother-in-law unit and the pool itself. As you go up these stairs, we'll go up to the main level. Now, remember the deck that you're going to be walking on up here is the rooftop of the mother-in-law unit. That was the only way we could accomplish getting everything the homeowner wanted. Pool at that elevation, pool cabana / mother-in-law unit into the budgetary number that they were wanting to do. We saved about $65,000 on the total project by not having to pour deck at all, and by dropping that mother-in-law unit down into the ground instead of building it up at the same level as the home. This is the private entrance into the pool area / mother-in-law. That door will take you down a set of steps into the mother-in-law, or you can go in that door and go to the right and go into the main house. As you come around this area, you'll notice you're coming out onto the deck area / rooftop. The spa is a perimeter overflow, which gives an illusion of a monolith of water just sticking up out of the pool. It's a very cool effect. We resurfaced the existing patio to match all the new patios, so it all looks like it was done at one time as well. We'll come over here and we'll go down the second set of steps, and I'll show you how that equipment is tucked in there. This is the view that you have from inside the house, the negative edge and the perimeter overflow spa. We have a little deck area over here that's sizable enough for lounge chairs or just a sitting area like I have it shown. As you come down these stairs, the rooftop of that deck is cantilevered over to that wall, which creates a vault. And that vault is where we stuck all the equipment. It's far enough below the pool to where the sound is very minimal, if you hear it at all, because the water features are running. But that is how that finishes out underneath. This will give you a good look at how high that pool actually is above grade. So, I hope you enjoy this pool as much as we did. Thank you.